Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying out new products, and one product I haven't tried in a long or used in a long time, but they're all black owned, women owned businesses, and I'm just so excited to try these new products. I've had my eye on them for a minute, and some actually just recently came out. So I'm very excited to try these products and see how they'll work on my hair and see how I can incorporate them into my routine. Now, this is something I don't usually do. I don't usually try all new products for my wash day, but because I'm not really going anywhere and this is also going to be a very lazy wash day, like I'm not planning to do anything extravagant with my styling. If it doesn't work out, then I'll be okay. I'm not putting too much effort in it, but I did want to go ahead and try all these products and give a first impressions of them. And yeah, I'm just excited that they're black women owned brands, and I just love it. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll be using is this Elan hair care rejuvenating mask. This mask says to section the hair, apply desired amount of product onto dry or wet hair, evenly distribute from root to ends, and for best results, sit under the dryer with a shower cap for 10 minutes on low heat, and then rinse with a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. So this mask was very interesting to me because of the ingredients. So the ingredients are eggs, cinnamon, vinegar, mayo, which you can definitely smell, jojoba oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and brown sugar. So I don't think I've ever used some of these ingredients on my hair. But as soon as you open it, and you have to keep it refrigerated, but I've made many mayo masks before. It smells just like mayo. With some sweetness in it. It's so funny. But I'm excited to use this. The owner, Stelani, she just came out with this brand, I believe, back in August. And she's been using it to grow her hair, and her curls are flourishing. They're so beautiful. So I'm excited to use this as a pre-poo. Especially since it says to rinse with the sulfate shampoo and conditioner, and since it has mayo and mayo and eggs, I'm guessing that it's definitely a protein treatment. So I'm excited to use that. My hair in this crusty bun. I haven't washed my hair in like weeks. I get lazy sometimes. I've been using gel, so it's just, my hair is snowing. There's flakes everywhere. So I definitely need some moisture. Oh my God. I just see the flakes. This is nasty. But I definitely need some moisture and some help. My hair crunchy. It's dry. Itchy. Baby. Ooh. I'm going to wet my hair a lot. Oh, I hope this has a lot of slip because I need it. And then I'm going to apply the mask. It definitely has it definitely feels like mayonnaise. And it's cold because it's been in the refrigerator. But mayonnaise I usually do this when my hair is like tangled, so I know it's gonna be good. I'm just excited to see how the other ingredients will do a little bit more than what my normal DIY mayonnaise mask does. Okay. Put a lot more. I can like smell the brown sugar. Something sweet. This stuff making it easy to detangle because my hair is tangled. Especially because of all the gel I've been putting in it. And just go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. So now that it's all applied, I'm about to sit under the hooded dryer for 10 minutes on low heat with a shower cap on, like the directions said. And then I'm going to rinse it out and come back and show you the results. So I just washed the Elan hair care mask out of my hair, and my hair looks great. I still need to shampoo and deep condition it, but I just wanted to show y'all my results after washing out the mask. As you can see, my hair is strengthened. It doesn't look dry. It's actually more detangled, and yeah, I would definitely be using this mask again. The only thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have too much of a shelf life and it needs to be put in the refrigerator, but that's what happens when your products are natural. So yeah, I will be using this again. Next, I'll be shampooing with the Mielle Babassu conditioning shampoo. This shampoo is for dry and curly hair types. It's sulfate-free and color safe. Now, I've used this shampoo before, but it's been like maybe 3 or 4 years, so I don't really remember how it reacted on my hair. But I'm just going to wash my hair and let y'all know how I like it, and then I'll come back and get started on my deep conditioner. So I just got out of the shower. I used the Babassu conditioning shampoo from Mielle. I lathered, rinsed, and repeated twice, and I did it in 2 sections, so this section and this section. Once I used this shampoo, I remembered how I felt about it. So this shampoo is definitely cleansing. It's one of those shampoos that your hair feels a little stripped, but not too stripped. But it definitely gets your hair nice and clean. And that's what I needed because I had a lot of buildup and my hair hadn't been washed in a couple of weeks. So I like the shampoo. I definitely recommend it, but because it does strip your hair a little bit, I definitely recommend doing a moisturizing treatment or a pre-poo before. A little bit goes a long way. It lathers a lot and it has a tingling sensation, just like their Babassu and Mint deep conditioner, which I used in my previous video. It also has, along with Babassu oil, it has almond protein and hibiscus extract, so it's supposed to soften and strengthen your hair. But it definitely does the good job of a cleanser, and I will use a cleanser when I have a lot of buildup. I'm going to use the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask, and I've been so excited to use Briogeo. I didn't know that it was Black owned until like recently, so I was excited to get my hands on it, and my hair loves anything honey. So I hope that this will work very well for me. I'm just gonna section my hair into 4 and get started. The directions say after shampooing, massage the Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Hair Mask into the hair. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing, and it can be used once or twice a week in place of conditioner. It says that the hair mask restores essential hydration and natural vibrancy to dry, brittle, overprocessed hair. And it has organic honey from New York State to provide an extra boost of moisture and nourishment. So we'll see how it goes. Smells good. Has a faint smell of honey, and it's not too thick and creamy, but it seems like it has a lot of slip. I'm just gonna apply it. To my hair. And yeah, it does have a lot of slip. I knew I was gonna like this. This little bottle, it's a little bare. It's a little hard to get stuff out of though, especially if your hands are slippery. But yeah. Conditioner, I'm gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out and come back. Just got out the shower and just rinse the Briogeo honey hair mask out my hair, and my hair feels amazing. It's very soft. See the definition, and it's ready to be styled. So I really like that mask. I tried to go on their website and find it. I actually got it from a Sephora like gift set, and it had 2 other masks in it that I'll probably try soon. But I tried to go on their website to find out a little bit more information about the mask, but I couldn't find it. So then I seen it on Amazon for $90, so it might be discontinued, but I don't know. I hope not, because it's a good mask. But I'm just gonna do something really quick to my hair. I'm going to use the Iman Nassirah hair care leave-in conditioner, and it's the Lavender Infused leave-in conditioner. It has natural butters, aloe vera plant, grapeseed oil, and natural essential oils. And the directions are to apply to hair from root to end when styling for best results. It's 8 ounces, and it also has to be kept in the refrigerator. It smells like lavender. See those natural herbs and things in there. A little more water. This is very thick. I'm trying not to get any of the herbs in it because I don't want those like sticking in my hair. Some thick butter. Very thick, and it's getting me some definition, but it doesn't have a lot of slip. It's sort of like, I don't know.
a little bit more water.